Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and connect AnyDesk with a different computer. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and open up the official AnyDesk application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or reinstalled, what you want to do is go to the official website right here, anydesk.com, and get started with opening it up. So once you've downloaded the program and installed it up, it's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page you are greeted by, from where we can go ahead and take a look at what our address is and how we can get started with inviting other users. So now we have set the program up, we can go ahead and take a look how to use it. Here we have the official support help center article on connecting to your remote device. So basically guys, here we have the step-by-step on how to get started. So you want to get the remote device's AnyDesk ID. This is this ID right here. This is the address you want to go ahead and get, and on the local device from which you want to connect to the remote device, you're going to enter the AnyDesk ID in the remote address field. This is the remote address field right here at the top of the screen. You're going to go ahead and type out this address from the different device. So when prompted, you can enter the unattended access password that you previously set up on the remote device, or you can wait for the remote user to manually accept the request. And once they have done that, once connected, the session will start and you'll see the remote desktop, and now you can control the devices, transfer files and more. And basically this is how to go ahead and get started setting up your devices between computers with AnyDesk. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.